Hey guys, Vic from Airroll here, your trusted Canadian CPAP supplier. And today I'm going to show you how to use your newly unpacked AirSense 11 AutoSet device. So you're going to open up your bag. There's a little divisor here attached on Velcro. You're going to remove that. Put your device right here. There's a water canister and then your tubing as well. You do get a power supply as well, so you're going to get that from your bag and connect it into your device. And then when the device boots up, it's actually going to ask you some questions regarding the severity of your sleep apnea and how new you are to CPAP therapy. It's called Care Check-in, and it's going to ask you some questions as well as give you some information on what to expect from CPAP therapy. So you would select user and then answer the questions as you would see it. Once done, you're going to actually be on this menu where you will see two tabs, My Options, where you can access some basic settings options such as ramp, where you can adjust a time duration for the machine to start at a low pressure, as well as your humidity and heat settings as well. In the other tab, My Sleep View, you can look at data from your machine. It'll give you information such as your usage, your leak, as well as your events per hour, if the events per hour was enabled on your device. Now, when you receive the device from us, if you sent us a prescription, we would have programmed it according to your prescription. If your prescription didn't have specific suggested settings, but just recommended an AutoSet device, it will be sent to you at its default auto-adjusting settings, meaning you could use it right out of the box. And to do so, you're going to fill your water canister with water, and ideally you want to get distilled water for these machines. You're going to open the lid, pour the water up top into the maximum indicated line, close the lid, and you're going to simply insert the machine, the water chamber into the side of the machine. Then your tubing, you have a couple of options. You might get a Climateline air heated tubing like the one I have here, or you could have a regular non-heated tubing as well. If you have a heated tubing, it has a specific end with a chip that goes into the back of your machine. So you're going to insert that, and your device will give you a quick disclaimer showing you that the tubing has been connected. At this point, all you would need to do is connect your mask to your tubing. Over here, I have a Fisher & Paykel Solo mask, and in fact, you can use masks from other brands with your AirSense 11 device, whether it's a ResMed mask, a Fisher & Paykel mask, or a Philips Respironics mask. So essentially, I'm going to wear my mask, and I'm going to connect my mask to my tubing. And with an AirSense 11, if you have the Smart Start setting enabled, it will start the therapy pressure on its own, or you could push the button up top to start the machine's pressure. To disable the pressure, you can either remove your mask, or you could push the same button to stop your therapy. So I'm going to start the therapy here, and the device is going to start blowing air, and you can hear it from the mask as well. If I push the button again, it's going to stop the pressure. If you had your Smart Start and Smart Stop settings enabled, then you wouldn't even have to push the button. You would simply wear the mask and take off the mask when you're finished with your therapy. Once you're done using your equipment, you can actually leave your AirSense 11 device plugged in for a while because it has a cool down setting which will blow a bit of a gentle breeze of air, drying out your tubing. We hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more.